Hi, it's Robbie. I found this black t-shirt at the thrift store for like $1.50. It's 100% cotton. And I decided to put a pocket on it, like I do with a lot of my shirts. And I've had this jacket forever sitting in my closet, and I like it because it's full of plants and birds and everything. And it's got a pocket here. I don't know if you can see it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut it, and I'm going to create a pocket for my t-shirt. And I like this little pocket here. I think it's going to give a nice little look to it. And I can sew it on the front. I can put my lens cap in it if I'm filming. Then the big pocket, I can put my cell phone or whatever I want to carry. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Now with the snaps, I'm just going to cut that off, and I'm going to hem it down this way. I don't have to do anything with the bottom because it's already hemmed. And then I'll just hem the top and hem the side. And I think it'll look really cute, but I like the double pocket, so I'm not going to get rid of it because I could do the back. I'm going to be able to make multiple pockets out of this one because I can use the back and use that too. But with this one, I think I'm going to go ahead and do it this way. And I'm going to make a pocket, let's see, on the front, so it's going to have a double pocket. So let's get started and see how it turns out. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, it will look fine no matter what. So let's see how it turns out. Like I said, I should be able on this one to make 3 pockets. And also, this has got sleeves. See if you can see this. I want to make sure you can see this in the camera. You can always use a sleeve to make a small pocket for the top of your shirt too, if I wanted to make a top pocket. So don't throw any of that away if you're working with that, because you can make pockets out of the whole shirt pretty much. You can even trim the neck out if you want with the fabric. But with this one, I'm going to make a pocket in the front with a double pocket. And right now I'm just going to cut it to eye and go from there. Now I'm going to go stitch it all the way around first. I don't need to do the bottom, and get it ready to put on my shirt. Okay, now we're at my machine. Just make sure that you don't have the other half of the shirt up against here. Pull it back. Just reach underneath and pull it back, and you should be good to go. Here I'm bringing it in a little bit on the top of the pocket so it doesn't fall forward. I actually think it might be better if you pull the tape off as you go, because sometimes the needle can get a little stuck. It can. All needles and all machines are different. So I do it both ways. This time I decided to pull it away, the tape, as I go. On this shirt, I'm going to go one more time along the bottom just for extra strength. So I'm going to put another stitch along the bottom, and this way I will know it will hold everything. I use a lot of these shirts when I go on school field trips with the kids, and I have to carry a list of what kids I have because I'm not supposed to lose them. I've only lost one, my grandson. But we found them quickly. But yeah, I'm going to put an extra stitch across the bottom. It'll just give a little extra support for the bottom if I'm carrying anything heavy. I might drop my camera in here or something. So you can do that if you want. But because it's got an extra pocket, I might be carrying extra things. I'm going to put another stitch along the bottom. That's it. We're done. That's how quick it is. It's using masking tape instead of pinning and just cutting by eye, which I like to do, but you can get more precise if you want and measure and everything. It's that quick. I literally can put a shirt together in less than 15 minutes. There's no reason it should take any longer. Everything's done. Now I have a shirt. Now if I want to taper the sides or make it look a little nicer because it's kind of a big shirt, I can do that too. Or I could just leave it the way it is. And that's how fast it is. And like I said, this particular one was a little jacket that I had in my closet for years and years and years. And I'm always going to wear it. I'm always going to put it on. And I haven't done anything with it. And I finally decided, you know what? I'm just going to go make a pocket shirt out of it. And make a pocket for my t-shirt. I'll have more use out of it this way than it's sitting in my closet thinking it's so cute I'll wear it one day. Now I'll wear it. Let's go see what it looks like on. Well, there's the pocket all done. Let's see if I can get a little closer. See, I've got the pocket here. And then I've got another pocket here. That was part of the jacket. So now I can drop whatever I want in here. I can drop my wallet if I really wanted to in here. I can drop paperwork. Like I said, sometimes I go on field trips with the kids at the school. I can put my paperwork in here, a pencil. Really don't want to put anything too sharp because if you fell, it may not be good. But I put my coupon, when I go to the grocery store, I put my coupons in here. I even put sometimes those plastic bags from the grocery. In the garden, I carry my seeds around, I carry my masking tape around, whatever you want. You've got a nice big pocket, it's on you, and I also put my keys in there when I go to the grocery store too. I just drop my keys in there, I drop in sometimes maybe my reading glasses that I use once in a while, you know, whatever you want. But isn't that cute? This was out of a jacket that I wasn't wearing. And I can make 3 pockets out of it, and with the sleeves, I can make small pockets if I want to too, because I like the fabric. It's got all these birds and flowers and plants. So that's it. There it is, all done. And I'm ready to go. Have a great day. Make yourself a pocket. I wouldn't glue it. I know a lot of people are into gluing fabric because I think that when you glue it, it could come loose. I would definitely stitch it. If you're really good at stitching by hand, you can even do a fancy embroidery stitch around there if you wanted to, because you're only doing 3 sides and a little bit on the top if you want. You know, that's up to you. But I like my machine because I can throw a pocket onto anything in less than 15 minutes. I'm done. And then I'm on my way. I like things simple, quick, fast, and easy. Have a great day. Don't forget to eat what you grow. And boy, are we growing. And that's it. And please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, everybody. Bye-bye.